Listen. Subscribe for more. Remember, the meaning of any word depends on the context in which it's used. So learn words in context. The topic. Listen. Try to understand real-life English to be able to communicate with real people in the street.
What's your buddy's name? What's your buddy's name? What's your buddy's name?
Listen again with subtitles.
What's your buddy's name? What's your buddy's name? What's your buddy's name?
Phrase. Listen to a quick reference about this phrase.
Buddy. Noun. Informal. A close friend. We were great buddies and did many things together.
Listen and repeat after the sheriff.
Listen.
What's your buddy's name?
Repeat. Listen.
What's your buddy's name?
Repeat. Listen.
What's your buddy's name?
Repeat.
Repeat from the end, adding one previous word at a time.
Listen.
Name.
Repeat. Listen.
Buddy's name.
Repeat. Listen.
Your buddy's name.
Repeat. Listen.
What's your buddy's name?
Repeat.
Listen to the phrase in a broader context.
Listen.
Like I say, I would have come over. Yeah, if you could. If you're at the office here. Yeah, I wouldn't come over, officer.
What's that?
I've seen a buddy of mine. I want to ask him.
What's your buddy's name?
Jeffrey
Jeffrey what?
Henderson.
Henderson.
Listen to the phrase in even more broader context.
Listen.
I think I've arrested you here before.
Probably so.
Why you keep coming back here?
I just seen a buddy of mine over here, and I want to talk to him. Tell him meet me over at Walmart.
That ain't copy.
I would have came over here. Like I say, I would have come over.
Yeah, if you could. If you're at the office here.
Yeah, I wouldn't come over, officer.
What's that?
I've seen a buddy of mine. I want to ask him.
What's your buddy's name?
Jeffrey
Jeffrey what?
Henderson.
Henderson. You just made that name up. Sounds like
I
you
didn't
just
make
made
nothing
that.
of it.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more.
Listening helps to improve.
Don't hesitate to let us know how we're doing.